Wondering what is happening here? We are currently on an inspection to one of our fastest selling properties called Royal Heights Estate. Right now, as you can see back here, we are at the back of Capstone University located in Enugu State. And opposite the back of Capstone University, we have our fast selling Royal Heights Estate, currently selling for 4.5 million naira. The amazing feature of this estate is that it is fully registered and it comes with a deed of assignment and a registered survey. If you already know what is happening in Enugu, this is the best place for you to take advantage of. What are you waiting for? Call the numbers on your screen and let's take you for an inspection to this amazing property. Right now, we are standing in the middle of Owo Expressway, a 40-kilometer dual carriage road being constructed by the Enugu State government. Owo is a strategic location where people and investors come to take huge advantage of this location. The good thing about here is that we have an amazing estate for you, and the name of this estate is called Castle View Estate. And this estate comes with a deed of assignment and a registered survey. And a plot here is measuring for 500 square meters, and a pre-launch sale is currently going for 4 million naira. Meanwhile, the actual price of Castle View Estate is 6 million naira. So right now, we came for a general inspection with amazing realtors to show you this place. And what you can do to take advantage of this amazing estate is call the numbers on your screen now for us to book you for an inspection to show you this amazing property. So do well to call us right now.